Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to update drivers in Windows 11. First, click on the Start button and open Settings. In the Settings window, choose Windows Update. Then click on Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Optional Updates. If there are driver updates available, you will see them here. Check the drivers you want to update and then click Download and Install. Windows will take care of the installation, and you may need to restart your computer when it is done. Another way is by using the Device Manager. To open it, right-click the Start button and choose Device Manager. You will see a list of all the hardware in your computer. Find the device you want to update, for example, display adapters for your graphics card. Right-click on it and choose Update Driver. Then select Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search online for the latest version and install it if available. You can also update drivers directly from the manufacturer's website. For example, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, go to the NVIDIA website and download the newest driver. This method can sometimes give you updates faster than Windows Update. When you finish updating, restart your computer to apply the changes. This helps keep your Windows 11 system running smoothly and reduces common issues. Thanks for watching.